Good evening, everyone. David, SkyeTent Vehicle Adventure Gear. We're camping in northern Ontario, really hot and humid. Sky is taking a nap. My wife's reading. I thought I'd update you on our 2023 tent design. So let's start with Adventure 3 G2, which is a 4-slotted tent, reinforced frame, which is more heavy-duty tent. Comes with a 10-centimeter mattress, carpeted back of the tent, light strip, 330 ripstop. We also have a aluminum version, which we're calling a Base Camp 4 G2, which is an aluminum version, and it has roof rails. It comes with 4-slotted tent as well, reinforced frame. You can leave your bedding inside as well. It has a light strip. We also have a ABS tent, Base Camp 4. We changed the design of the windows and the mattress a little bit, which will include an annex room and an awning with it. We also have Adventure 3, which is a single slotted tent with a carpeted back, light strip, 330 ripstop material as well. We also have another tent which is called an Adventurer. This tent is under $3,000. It has plastic corners, but it is fully welded. Sheets for reinforcement. It is a double-slotted tent, which is a reinforced frame. Roof rails. It's 145 centimeters by 210 centimeters long. But it will be under $3,000 for somebody who does want to spend a little more for a little more size, I guess. We will have an introductory price coming out shortly. Hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, or info@skyetent.com, or at our website www.skyetent.com for pre-orders for next year. Once again, there will be an introductory price. Right, Sky? Oh, Sky's on guard now. Thanks for tuning in.